Welcome to Aspen, a distinctive addition to the London skyline, a stunning architectural statement in a vibrant new community. Come and join me. Award-winning architects, Pilbrow and Partners, have dramatised London skyline with Aspen. Aspen truly has some exceptional apartments with exquisite amenities and spectacular views. Here's a little gem for you. The name Aspen was inspired by the small, distinguished and elegant tree that was said to symbolize beauty. Whether you're working, studying, or playing, Aspen is designed with you in mind. Additionally, Aspen is connected to the Dorset Hotel, a contemporary, elegant, sophisticated, fun statement piece.